I welcome you all on this Sunday, beautiful morning. And before I start, I would like to wish all of you happy Raksha Bandhan, and may price analysis trading system protect you from all the potential losses which might incur. So welcome to the Trading Chaos price analysis trading system. Before I move ahead, let me introduce myself. I am Vijay Chothani. I am an instrumentation engineer by education, and for the last 10 to 12 years I've been in the stock market, either in the primary side or the secondary side. I started with the exposure into the mutual funds, and from mutual funds I moved on to the broking part, and then there is where the evolution started happening. After the 2008 carnage, from the highs we made a low of 2200 odds. A lot of portfolios had eroded. Mutual funds which had come in 2008 were nowhere at their NAV price at their. So looking at all that, I thought, in fact, the trading portfolios also of clients had had eroded. So I had I went into, and I thought, what is there that that can help us, or that can be practical enough. So there were some needs and wants which actually brought me into the technical part of it. अरे बैल मारना आवाज, the technical part of it. For me, there were some needs and wants because, as I told you, 2008 carnage saw a lot of erosion of portfolios. So my needs were simple. I wanted a simple trading system, which will help me into going you know, uh, into a stress-free, emotion-free trading, which will help me in being in the right side of the market. So that was my first step towards my own evolution, and that was the needs and the wants. I had some needs which I am telling you, like what were my needs. I wanted a emotion-free, stress-free system. Because stress-free, emotion-free, you can always be happy in trading, and that is what we want to be. Traders, traders try their best to become a best traders, but then you know with with a right system, I would like to enjoy being a trader than rather thinking of being a trader. Second was wants. What would the system will give me, or what I want from the system? Because any trading call which I take or you take, there are two sides to it. The one is a fear and a belief. Fear holds back a lot of trades, thinking about stop losses, or even if the trade is like Fridays or last week, Bharti was on the plus side. Okay, markets were going down, Bharti was moving up. So it's, again, if your belief system is right, then that fear comes out, and that fear which I am talking about was holding up, or is holding up, a lot of trades of many traders. But looking at the brighter side of it, beliefs and belief system in your trading system can help you get back confidence, and you can trade the right trend. Like Bharti, if it was a right trend, against the market, Bharti made a high of 73. So this is where, this were things which I wanted in my trading system. So I had to do some unlearning. I had to do some learning. Now this is what is my journey. What after the 2008 carnage, this is what my journey. So I had to do some unlearning. Get out of some perceptions. Started taking some actions, and finally I came to a system. The evolution brought me to a system which I term it as an intelligent price analysis trading system, or the WTP. That's a weekly trading points. The need, one more need, and the wants, basically, where need is like how do I get the targets, and wants for that I wanted some projectable targets, so that I can take profits off the table. Thus I entered into a zone which is called, or for which I tell it is win by not losing. Because there was a good statement before we move ahead. There is a good statement: to master the market, market yourself. Before we proceed, I just would like to touch upon some psychological part of our own traders, and then we'll go into the analysis, like why something came in, and then how that something became a trading system. So to master the market, we have to actually market ourselves. Now, before going ahead, um, I would like to show you the previous week. Now, last week I will show you what happened, but previous week, if I show you, this is what basically the trading system gave us: Nifty buys, positional targets, intraday, bank Nifty, and total index trading gave us around 8,000 rupees. Previous week the stock was Just Dial. Now the current weeks I will show you which were the rocking stocks, but these were some previous weeks. That is a Star Ya Kalakar, what I tell, Just Dial. Then there were stocks previous week. Now this week I'll show you Tech Mahindra, TCS, Reliance Infra. Now if Reliance Infra gave me a positive side buy, I will show you Reliance Infra gave me a negative side sell also and made profit for me. So what what basically we look into a day-to-day life of a trader, then it is something like this. A trader in a normal stock market. This is just a depiction, because the stock market in Hindi we tell it as a share bazaar. So a lot of traders get slaughtered. It is like bears and bulls when they fight. Pigs get slaughtered. So it's same way. But then we want to get out of this. We want to get out of the trader psychology, the trader's life cycle, which is like the problem. The only problem with the trader is that the profits are not consistent. The profits and losses are like a seesaw. Sometimes you win, some days you win, some days you lose. Yeah, my system, what you will see ahead, yes, we'll lose. But then the losing part of it is like, as I tell you, if I want to go into a system, and if my which I teach in my workshops also, like if I come in in a workshop with 100% loss, like means in the sense that whatever loss you have been making, that is 100% for you. Now if we can reduce that 100% of the loss to by less than around 40%, 60%, so that you just have average 40, then you master the system, and we can get down from 100 to only 20%. Then I think losing trades will become better profitable, or will help you in understanding the right direction. So that is where we basically, when we can save money, whatever not lost is basically saved. So thus bringing me to that particular song, which is Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, and I interpreted it as Kabhi Profits Kabhi Loss, Tara Rampam. So you want to get out of this race, the seesaw. Now that is when I basically introspected myself. As I told you, I learned, I unlearned, did some perceptions, and then I felt the market is not our problem. Our problem is that we see the market as our problem. If on Friday, अरे यार market ऐसा था, it's not that. If we understand there were some signals which were given by the market that I might go into a rough patch. I cannot tell this that we are in total bear market grip. Yes, but we were into a rough patch. So if something helps me into understanding it, definitely I will not look market as a problem. So let us get out of that. I thought, let me get out of thinking that market is a problem. So then what? It's all about our action to market reaction. If you'll see many traders, investors, they sell at the bottom, buy at the top. That's a reaction to the market action. So I wanted to get free of the chaos and noise which is generated during trading. Thus, it brought me to a fresh learning. And fresh learning basically was change how you see and see how you change. Like if I change, because change is a constant part in day-to-day life. So, but then when I understood that things change, or look at the market in a different way, I also changed. One particular reason why, which I felt, lot of traders or myself, was that what we see depends mainly on what we look for. See, as I told you, market is not our problem, but we look at the market as a problem. The reason is this, that if I want to see teji, I will see teji in the market. I will try to find out teji. Even if a stock moves by 2 points, I'll tell teji aa gaya. If I want to see mandi, even if the stock drops down by 1 point, I'll start looking at it as a short side. So that is something which has been part and parcel of a trader. So let's get out of that, and that is how basically I developed it. I understood the the whole trading psychology, and brought in or got to know that there were three pillars in the market for a successful trader. One is a psychology, his own psychology, which we talked about; market analysis, which we will which we will discuss a little bit; and trading system, which I'll talk to you about. The psychology, the beginning, is the most important part of the work. Now, trading is a high risk, high return game. I know that, you also know that. It's a high risk, but then you get fantastic returns. If we manage our risk properly, the returns are phenomenal. Trading is a game of probability, perfected. As I told you, if I'm coming today, looking for for my whole 100% stop losses, and if I reduce that, if I bring the probability of the losing side to the lower side, yeah, if I can save 80% of my stop losses, 20% is, that's it, then I can make more profits, because whatever I have lost, whatever given back into the market, I can gain back. Now, loss can be, I term loss in two ways. One is basically, not trying to take the full profit from the markets, because a lot of traders don't know where. Now, if you'll go back to my blog, you will see that 778889 was my projected target, 7772 and 7789. Markets made a high of 7788.60 paisa and drop. I took off the profits across the table. Now, if for certain reasons, if I did not knew that projectable targets, and I had to book somewhere down, so that 30-40 points is again a loss for me, because that loss was my trading loss, where I was getting a profit I could not take out. So let's perfect it. So trading requires real discipline, and we have to follow it without emotions. As I told you, stress and emotions, two things out of the system, you can make a very good system. Successful trading is all about learning and knowing to react to market movements, and not predicting it, forecasting or anticipating. I don't want to anticipate that tomorrow this will happen. I don't want to forecast that this can happen, or markets will go to 6400 or 7400 or 8000. I don't want to predict it, because these have come out of the system, because we are 24 by 7 across the net. World markets also trade, world traders also trade on our market. So market is today an open platform. I would better like to project it. One second. That what we brought me to, introspecting myself, and I thought, yes, are you ready for a change? I told, yes, definitely I'm ready for a change. And that is how I went into market analysis. This brought me to a very, it brought me to our own base. It brought me to our own belief system. When I thought about the market and what the market is doing, I came out with, I tried to correlate and understand with our own belief system. And as you know, Gita tells, in Gita, Krishna Bhagavan tells that I am the source of everything. From me, everything emanates. I am the origin and annihilation of the entire cosmos. There is nothing else beyond me. Now, that is what Krishna Bhagavan told. That is what basically God is for us. Now, if we look into the market, there is something true there also. Now, that particular thing is price, because everything is traded in the market. Whatever is traded is basically the price, and price has everything into it. Price has a range. Price has the previous price range, the new price range, the price closes, the price. There is many things which is there in the price, and this price leads us to the trend, thus making me have a strong belief in price. And that is how I came out to price analysis as a fearless trading. But then tell me one thing, why will you believe? Or the same way I also thought, why will I only believe this? So let me think about price. Why price? And that is where many facts came clear to me. Price moves first. As you know, every time price moves first. Fundamental and news come in second. Some days back, capital moved, took a jump of 20-25 points. Now that news was insurance sector being opened up. But then the movement happened, just 5 minutes, 3 minutes back before the news flash came on the news channels. And we got an entry at 97,607, made 22 high. From there it has never seen back, never gone beyond that, and has retraced. So price has, and we have an advantage in price. That is what I can tell. Only price action confirms and validates the conviction in the prevailing trend, means the prevailing current trend, and or reversal of the trend. Now if there was a reversal, which I feel was looking at I will explain to you in the end, 75.50, 75.60 area, then yes, it can be. And there is when you can look in for some contrast, and that is what my system helps you in looking. Respecting price analysis without prejudice helps in moving just behind the market. As I told you, market is in Hindi share bazaar. Now you and I would not like to walk in front of the share. अगर अपन शेयर के आगे चलेंगे तो शेयर तो अपने को खाने वाला है, इट्स मोर ऑब्वियस. तो शेयर के पीछे चले, शेयर की पूंछ अगर पकड़ के चलते हैं, शेयर के पीछे पीछे जाते हैं, शेयर की पूंछ पकड़ के चलते हैं, तो शेयर जैसे ही मुड़ेगा अपन उसके पीछे मुड़ जाएंगे. तो उस तरह से अगर मार्केट के पीछे पीछे हम चलते रहेंगे, तो जो मार्केट फोर्सेस जो कर रहे हैं, मार्केट के जो डायरेक्शन मूवमेंट अगर चेंज हो रही है, तो वो अपने को पता चल जाएगा, एंड वी विल बी एबल टू मूव एज पर द प्राइस मूवमेंट. Then I thought again, but I still wanted some more. So acknowledging the trend, that is what I felt. Acknowledging the trend and doing what the market is doing, market wants to do, is half battle won. With अगर अपन मार्केट डायरेक्शन में चल रहा है, मार्केट अगर बेरिश है तो बेरिश में जाएंगे, बुलिश है तो बुलिश में जाएंगे. तो अगर अपन मार्केट के साथ साथ चलते हैं, तो मार्केट जो जो अपने साथ करता है या करने वाला है, अगर उसी के साथ हम अगर उसके साथ चल जाते हैं, तो आधा युद्ध तो हम जीत लिए. So we became a very good trader. Price analysis is a simple approach of measuring the market action and market dynamics. Frankly, market movement is nothing but the price movement. Market में movement आती है तो price तो movement देता ही है. अगर price चलता है तो market चलता है. अगर Nifty 77.80 से, if we are finding a low of 75.60 in 2 days time, that was basically what the price analysis showed you. 77.89, 77.90. If you'll see on my blog also, I have written 7790 till not time broken. You won't see a bullish move in the market. But yes, to be very frank, I did not anticipate 100 points more. I was looking at 76.90 or 76.60 as my target area. But yes, markets are unpredictable, and that is what I talk about the system. So let us understand the market behavior. Now I understood the price. That is how I basically understood the price. And after understanding the price, I wanted to understand the market. How does the market behaves? Now markets, as I saw, behaves in 6 different directions, or are in 6 modes. One is a sustained bullish move, which is from February till now. Moderate bullish, if you will see, from December to February, when the base building was happening. That is why we were actually, Indians were never had thought during in December month at 68, 67 Nifty that we'll have 8,000 Nifty, 7900. So there was some anticipation, and from the anticipation the movements happened, and those movements took us to a higher level. Just a second. Huh? Yeah. Then we have the neutral side of it, and below that we have the moderate bearish and the sustained bearish. Sustained bearish, if you'll recollect, it is 2008 highs to 2008 lows, when the markets were just dropping down. Like as we tell that in falling markets supports are no more there, and in rising markets resistance are no more, because every resistance is taken off and that becomes a support. And in a bearish market, every support is taken off and becomes a resistance. Thus, I just went deep into the market, and I understood market as a form of energy. And if you and I, we know that energy always moves in the path of the least resistance. So again, it added, some weights to what I am going towards. Then I again went into more depth. Complicated system, as I thought, breeded confusion, and simplicity will bring elegance. the main fact which actually made me 100% to go into this trading system is all markets, because of the statement, all markets are created by people who disagree on value and agree on price. Now if you and I today disagree on the market movement of Monday, on Monday if you and I sit on the market for trading, if you will decide, you will think of a bullish move, I might think of a bearish move, or you might think of a bearish move and I think of a bullish move, but we will decide on a price. Now that price can be 76.30 where the market opens. Some bearish move, person might go and short at 76.50. So you and I will always disagree. Means traders across trading markets always disagree on the valuations. They would, for me, Reliance is not on the higher side, so I always like to book profits on the top and get in at the bottom. Like same way, if I'm looking at Bharti, there were people who were not anticipating a move, so there were some on the selling side, some on the buying side, disagreeing on the movement of the price. Could be because of the valuations or whatever may be the reasons. Ideas are different, but disagreeing on, there are only two movements in the market, either a long side or a short side. Now if you want to go on a short side, I want to go on long side, but I and you will agree only on one thing, and that is called as the price. 7630, if I want to be bullish in the market or bearish, so we decide on the price. So that is what actually made me having more conviction that yes, we should actually move with the price. And then I looked beyond lot of horizons, and I came to price, and I was looking into price behavior and price analysis. And price then made me realize that yes, a price has more information to guide you and to keep you in the trend. Thus it made me break free of conventional analysis. I could be an analyst on the go. I just had to have some certain important facts of the trading system, and I can be anywhere. In fact, last week when my dad was in the hospital, my traders and my students, they knew what will be the price and which price to buy and what to do. So same way, if I have told my trader, if I am outside and I just tell my trader that okay, this is my buy and sell price, you just, if this moves above it, you buy it, and this is my target. It happened. So irrespective of whether you and I are at that time in the market, sitting in front of the terminal, is of no relevance. Then you can just call up and do your trade. So price action and price behavior works because it is based on the underlying asset, which is the price. Finally, I came to the drawing board, and price analysis then helped me, or it gives us an exploitable, that is what it gave me, an exploitable statistical advantage, thus giving us projectable targets. Now that is what I told. Projected targets, if they are there, then markets can max to max move here. That is where I can take some profits. So those profits which are taken on the higher level is basically adding into my profit portfolios, or not giving back to the market. Like a lot of traders have this problem, giving back to the markets. What we have, on paper you saw 100 points, but then ultimately you booked at 30-40 points. But if I had a projected target, I knew the market won't go above 77.78 or 77.90, then I would have basically, all my clients had booked. I had specifically sent messages to all, and all my clients on Tuesday had booked all their profits. You will ask me, markets were volatile on Tuesday, RBI. Yes, I can show you their stop loss was not hit positional, and we made it top as a target. We exited. Flow with the trend. That is what I tell you. Now this brought me to the trading system, and trading system basic, if I look at if we dissect a trading system, we have a basic 4 requirements into it. One is identifying the stocks. Now this I can, a lot of things can be identified by using simple methods. Positional sizing, which automatically this system is taking care of, because this system automatically helps you into doing position sizing. Perfect entry is the right entry, I say, because I am never biased on the market on the buy side or the sell side. If I am entering into a trade either on Monday or Tuesday or any day, I don't have a view. Market view is given to me by the system, and that is how I can be more successful. And it gives me a projected exit, as I tell exit, because that is where I would like to take profits. So trading system requirements, as I told you, my wants and needs, and what were my needs. So I just came, I'll now highlight, the trading system. We are coming to the trading system. So let us correlate whatever was my need and whether it is there. So how to find the trend and when the trend is about to change. That was one thing. Second was precise entry. See, if I have a defined entry, defined stop loss, and defined targets or projected targets, it's nothing is more simple than that. I just put in a command, F1 or an F2, that's a buy or a sell, and a stop loss and targets. Over. This will help to massively reduce risk because I know my stop loss in advance. See, a successful trader worldwide will not count the amount of profits they are going to get in the trade, because the system is made in such a manner, as per your thinking, that without knowing, unbiased to the market is going to give you a buy or a sell signal without even understanding whether that particular buy signal or the sell signal, that current signal which you have got, is going to give you profits or going to make a stop loss for you. No, that is what is the characteristics of a system. You take any system of yours, the system's characteristics or the behaviors are such that it is going to give you buy and sell signals at a particular interval wherein that systems are the validations are triggered. So now when I enter into the market, I know my stop loss, so that helps me in reducing. If I want to lose only 1500 per Nifty trade, and if I know my stop loss is 30 points, then I know what to do. Or if my system, if I allow myself to make a loss, a particular Nifty trade loss of 33,000 rupees, and if I know my Nifty stop loss is 30 points, then I can enter 2 lots. So this helps me in massively reducing the risk and thus getting me off of the emotional roller coaster ride. Now, why again price analysis? Because as I told you, because the market is unpredictable, we must approach trading with a method that does not depend on predictability. So that is how I tell a unique price analysis trading system. What else is different in the system? As I reiterate the same scenario, do not try to predict the market. As I told you, when I am entering into the market, I don't predict whether it's going to go on the buy side or the sell side every day, intraday, or if I'm taking a positional trade. Because those who did in predicting have never made consistent profits. So when I'm in the market, I don't know, or basically it is, I don't want to predict whether it's today is going to be a bullish day or a bearish day. Yes, trend continues in the weekly trend, I know the markets are bullish. But yes, intraday, if I'm looking at it gives me a sell signal, I'll take some sell signals. If it giving, helping me in scalping some profits, taking more profits from the market. So we use price analysis approach, a simple non-emotional market following system, follow with the trend, exit and reverse as it directs us. Now that is what the system does. Finally, the system is a simple trading system, as it what I put it into, because this helps only this system can be made by just using a pen, paper, calculator or an Excel. You don't require any hi-fi technical knowledge also. It's a market neutral trading system that gives an unbiased entry into the market. So one part of my need and wants, depending on the price behavior, price action in a particular time frame, the system generates for me. Now this is what I'm just giving a brief idea what the system is all about. So it gives me 2 entry levels. That is why I'm telling I am neutral in the market. If the markets are going on the buy side, I will enter into a buy mode. If it's giving me a sell side, I'm going to enter into a sell mode. Now on Tuesday last, on the RBI day, it gave me a sell, it gave me a buy. I went into a sell, made some profits, went into buy, made some profits. I don't want to, have an ego on my own self. I will only sell the market or I will only buy the market. I will bow down to the market because my system is telling me you bow down and wait. You will get direction, either the buy side or the sell side. It helps us to trade in the direction of the current prevailing trend. A clear and predefined, like up till Wednesday or Thursday, the prevailing trend for that carrying forward from the last week was bullish. So you got more, trades on the bull side. We made good profits. So entry levels can be a buy side entry, sell side entry with a predefined stop loss. Now if I know if I have to trade positional Nifty, my trading stop loss is 40 points. So I know at any positional trade which I am going to do in Nifty, I am going to only lose 20 point 2,000 rupees. Then I pretty well and surely know in advance my loss. And that is what internationally successful traders have always seen, that because profits, see, the nature of the system is that it is going to generate every trade as a profitable trade, but it happens as stop loss because the system never knew that it's going to either go into a profit or a loss. So profits can be carried forward and loss cannot be. So if I know the loss, then the profits are unlimited for me, because it helps me in getting profits off the table by projecting the targets, thus making my system stress free. Again, my wants and needs, I told you my needs were the stress free, emotional free. So finally, again, telling what in a simplicity, telling to what the market is all about, or the price analysis system. It's basically simple to learn and follow. No prior need of any technical analysis. Spend only less than 30 minutes or 30 minutes to make your trading plan for the next day. So you already have a trading plan. Do intraday swing positional, you can be a positional trader. Weekly chart, weekly sheet, you can do it intraday by daily sheet. Helps in understanding the sheet which we have, helps us in understanding by the end of the day, the next day, which stocks might have a good movement. So identifying those stocks and entering into stocks works on all time frames and on all asset class. You can use this for equity, commodity, bonds, options. Finally, to tell, it's a most innovative and simple trading system. That is what I feel, because I have seen many things. For nifty stocks, commodity trading, positional trading for me has never been so simplified, because I know in advance my 40-point stop loss or a position system. If it's a buy side, I enter into a buy, sell side, I enter into a sell. So no charts to follow, because if one Excel sheet just helps everything. Next day in the morning, you have everything written on your pen and paper. So you know what to do, precise entry to take position. Thus no emotions, so no confusion, only entry, targets and stop loss. I know the entry, I know the projected targets, and I know stop losses. So how does it help? Now you will tell me, okay, this is all fine. Now how does it help? As I told you, a lot of traders and traders, life cycle. It helps a trader to stop constantly losing money. Stop giving back profits. As I told you, if I book at 7772 or if I book at 7730, I lose 40 points. So if I book at 7772, I have exited totally out. That means I've taken a maximum profit. Now this helps me into the guessing game. I stop the guessing game, and it helps me making consistent decent returns. Simple trading was not so simplified. This is what I can tell to all you trader friends. Now what the system could do, in for intraday or for positional, this is what I'll just like to show it to you. The first trade, the Friday trades, like Tata Steel, was in a bear grip. We had a buy, we did good profits. We had a sell, it generated around 10 points, that is 10,000 rupees. Then Jubilant Food, in fact Jubilant Food, this is what I'm showing is a Friday trade, but for me Jubilant Food was sell at 1235. That was on Thursday. Results or with no results, any active day or inactive day, price analysis is going to tell you this is where the maximum people are going to do, because informed sources always know the news well in advance and they act on the price, and we as a price analyst trader understand that price and sit in the price trend. I can be so much, this is the most simplest spontaneous thought about this price analysis system. But even if you're taken a trade on Friday, EOD, one of my students, called me. I took a trade at 64, sir, and this is what I've got. It is there on WhatsApp group. Made a low of 1108. So if I'm looking at 1235 sell, 1108 was in 2 days. This is what you are getting. Now, as I told you during the start, we had previous week Reliance Infra in the buy mode. We had Reliance Infra this current week, which the previous week and this week we had a sell. And on Friday at 728 sell, clear defined 728 sell, low made 715, that's 14 points. And that is why I write Mogambo Khushua, because Mogambo likes to be on the sell side. Looking at the Nifty trading, now this is one thing which 80% of the traders are doing. Stocks, yes, 20% people might be doing stocks and Nifty, but then there are 80% traders who are into FNO. Max of them are into Nifty. So let's understand what how does this trading system helps in Nifty. As I told you, we had a positional buy 7690. Stop loss was 7650. With my target, projected target 7772, which was the watch area, which from where the markets can change. This is what the watch area in my trading system is there. So 7772 and 7854 it was. There were two areas. And intraday, which I told at 7789. So 7772, 7789, my market made a whole high of 88.60. Tuesday low, if you'll see, Monday I had an entry. Monday I had actually entry at a very lower point. See, always a price analysis system on every Monday is going to give me a first entry into the system, and then weekly is going to take over. So I got an entry at 7662. Intraday, if I want to exit, sorry, it was 7772. So I got a 60 point. That was intraday. But now to tell you, I am calculating the weekly from 7690 only. So it is 82 points. If I calculate from 7662, which I carry forward my weekly trade, then the weekly positional is target, points are more. But let's consider, as per the system. So 7690, 7772 exit. Monday buy 7662, exit 7722. If you'll see the last week, markets were indicating me something in the Nifty trading that markets are only touching watch areas, the higher watch areas. It can be intraday, all intraday levels on Monday, Tuesday. Monday buy, Tuesday buy, Tuesday sell, Wednesday sell, Thursday buy, Thursday sell. They were only indicating me that the markets are only going towards the watch areas. That to tell you that the markets were in a range between the higher areas, watch areas, and lower watch areas. So indication of a system telling you what will happen. Tuesday sell 7694, 7658, 36 points. Buy 7747, 7772. So intraday again 72, exit 30 points. Actually the target was 78, but I have taken a weekly 72, so 30 points. Wednesday sell 7732, exit 7683, 49 points. Thursday we had a stop loss. Now Thursday the system was in a small range. I will not the reverse movement which the Nifty went to 7750. Now we had an entry at 7716, but I will not consider that as an entry because a lot of traders could not enter at that point. We hit a stop loss, but we could not enter. So let's be practical. Buy side trade was not there. We had a hit a stop loss 30 points. Friday gap down, lower sell. Now if you'll see, my sell was at 7639. Lower points were targets were 7594, which was my watch area. Markets actually crashed below the watch area. Then if you'll see, the whole day market was in that range only, 7590, 7600 range. And we could exit at 7669. My monthly sell was at my weekly sell was at 7550. The market just made a low of 7550. Market just made a low of in that range, and it again bounced back. Now next week, this was the current week. So if we'll take the total profits, weekly 82 points, intraday 170 points, so total 252 points. That is what this particular trading system can give you. This is what has happened previous. I cannot here let me be clear that depending on the market movements, this can vary. But yes, this can also is the potential, because if you'll see previous week, buy 7702, 7742, buy sell. Then Friday, that was Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Monday. Tuesday was on holiday, Eid. So that week we got 485 points. Intraday 298, positional 187. Now because that particular week was a lot of choppiness, so we could actually make good money in the market. If I talk about the weekly on a higher time frame, then we are still bullish. This was the July. Then if I'm talking about the positional in the monthly levels, Jan to March, entry was 6560. Projected targets from April, June, continuation of the trend with a stop loss of 6479. Markets never touched that. Projected target 7347, 7584. Markets made a high of 715. monthly position, that was quarterly. Monthly position sell, if you'll see 5108 was the September low. We exited right at the bottom, and the fresh sell was at 5236, which never happened because markets made a low of 5318 and bounced back. So this will always keep you in the right trend. As I'm telling you, that is what the need and wants was, that I should be in the trend and the right trend, because I don't want to lose more. That is how I can protect whatever profits I have made. Lakshman Rekha, if everybody knows, if you have gone to my site earlier, it was 7817. Markets made, and high at that time was 7817.60 paisa. And we had a sell till 77467 low, which was the market low. In fact, if I remember, I have given all my clients 7820 stop loss. We had a sell at 7800. Markets came down to lower levels. Market just could manage to cross my Lakshman Rekha, which was again on the top, was 7854. My point, market may high of 7840, and if you are seeing yesterday the lows were 7550 around. So finally, let me just brief up or sum up. Price analysis approach. It's a price analysis approach, makes life enjoyable, discards your trading worries, and thus you can become emotional and stress free. That is what my needs and wants. Because the market is unpredictable, we must approach a trading with a method that does not require demands predictability. Now, this is what the whole price analysis system can do. You can do it. These were previous weeks what have happened. Depending on the current trend, profits can vary, gains can vary. But yes, this is what the price analysis trading system is all about. That is what I can tell. Now, if you want to learn the system, I have regular workshops. We do it online, we do it offline. Online is basically on this same GoToMeeting platform, and you and I interact. We have an interaction session. Offline is I have a classroom training wherein I don't take more than 3 students. So learn to read the price and price action. Actual course fee is 25,000. For the month of August, we have a 10% discount. July was 30% discount. August is only 10%. It's 22,500. What you learn in this is, or what you get in this is, duration is 2 days. On online session we do 3 sessions. On offline we have 2 sessions spread across 2 weeks, because after teaching you some part of the trading system, I then give you some days so that you practice and then come back with some questions. So lifetime companionship on my Yahoo and Gmail, learning till you become independent. I've got the students who keep on, sending me queries or sending me whatever they have done, and then I have to give them uh, my suggestions on that. So, and one free course is what is there in it. Finally, to tell, don't be afraid to be different, because if I be different from the herd mentality, that is when I can be more successful. Like if people had, thought the markets had gone at 5108, our group of traders and students had booked profits at lower level at 5122s. We never, you know, as I told you, be behind the market. I cannot tell you I, exited at exactly 5108, but yes, 5120 was my area wherein I came out. So be different. WTP trading system, with that you become confident, and that is how you can be bold. Finally, these are my details, some of my blogs which I keep on regularly updating. Learn to trade price.blogspot.com, specifically only for learning. niftywtp.blogspot.com, my mobile number. In fact, I have got Nifty subscriptions which you can go and see it on the blog. So any details, any queries, any questions, if you have, you can take it now, or I'd like to thank all the 25 participants, attendees, 25 attendees. Again, week on week we have got a consistent ratio of more than 20 attendees. That is, a lot of people today in this market are so so much into confusion, that they just actually like to know, come and find something good. And I hope this, that I had done some clarification about your own psychology, and I hope this particular trading system helps you. It has helped me. My journey from 2008 to 2014, this is my journey. I That is how I became a good consistent trader. You can also be consistent. You are welcome on board on price analysis trading system, WTP trading system. I thank all of you, and may God bless you and protect you from all the future potential losses. Thank you, sir.